Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to connect Gmail and calendar in Perplexity AI. So let's start. Open your Perplexity AI and here you can see I already log in here Google Chrome. After the login, just go to the left hand side and click on your profile picture, and here you can see one option connector. Just click on it and here you see available connector here showing. Okay, this is the not paid version, therefore is showing the only two connector. Okay, so this is the first one, the Gmail with calendar. Search, create and manage your emails and calendar events. Just click on the enable and here the one dialog box is open, Gmail with calendar. You can check the overview and the link and here just click on the add connector. Select your email address. Okay. After that, Google will allow the Perplexity connector to access this info about you. You can see all the profile name and your email address here mentioned. After that, just click on the continue option and here you can see select the what Perplexity connector can access. Okay, so select from this option. First is you can see and download contact info, automatically save in your other contacts. See and download your contacts, see the list of Google Calendar you are subscribed to and others. So select those you want to connect with the Perplexity. So I just click on the select all and here I just drag and click on the continue. Okay. And here you see, wait for the few seconds and that's it. Your Gmail with calendar is connected with in Perplexity AI. So this is the way you can easily connect your Gmail with calendar. Hope you understood. If you like this, please subscribe. Thank you so much.